Hey guys, Matt Capron here today, introducing you to the Hang It Display Systems wall display brackets. I came up with the idea in 2018 on a way to display fossil fish that we collected in the Green River Formation down in southwest Wyoming. The idea came about on a simple, safe, secure way to hang your fossil fish up on the wall that looks nice. This product has a wide variety of applications. We have specifically designed this product for the homeowner to install their fossil fish, artifacts, Riker mount display cases for a better presentation in their home on the wall, as opposed to laying on an easel in their bookshelf or laying down in a coffee table. Our brackets are proudly made in the USA. We have two different styles of brackets available. One is a powder-coated mild steel that is weight tested up to 60 pounds, and a polycarbonate that is weight tested up to 30 pounds. The colors we have available in the mild steel is cream and black, and the polycarbonate we have a clear and black. Please check our line of videos on more product information, installation, and new products that will be coming out soon. Thank you for visiting Hang It Display Systems.